Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete Zengo account. It is a very simple step. Firstly, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged in. At this home page at the bottom, you can see the option settings. Tap over there. You will be now lead to this kind of interface. Now scroll down. At the bottom, you can see the option delete account. All you need to do is tap on that. Now this kind of box will appear. By deleting your account, you will lose this money and all your data. Now all you need to do is accept on that term. Now tap on delete. Now you need to enter your passcode. You can now see that your account has been deleted. You can no longer use your old Zengo addresses to receive funds. If you'd like to use Zengo again, you'll need to delete the app and reinstall it. And this is how you can delete your Zengo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.